Hey guys, how are we doing? Thanks for joining me today. I am just going to be getting ready for a super busy day, honestly. My son has a basketball game, and then I've got a holiday party to go to afterwards. I've got a lot going on, and we're going to be using this new palette that I got sent from Alter Ego. It's the Aurora palette. Alter Ego is an amazing company. They do send me these palettes every month so that I can try them and review them and share them with you. Good or bad, no stipulations. I'm not paid for them, but they do send them to me for free. They are cruelty free, and typically they do like dupe palettes. So I've got quite a few of them sitting here. This is my all-time favorite. It's the Daydream palette. And I have absolutely hit pan on this. It is a dupe for the Huda Beauty New Nudes palette. Loving it. And then we have the Sahara palette, which is, I honestly don't know what this is a dupe for. And then we have the Goddess palette, which looks like this. And I think this one's a dupe for Natasha Denona. These are all really good in their own rights. This one is my absolute favorite. And today, we're going to try out the Aurora palette. It looks like this, y'all. I have played in it just a little bit. So, yeah, haha. But we are going to be using it. The formula seems to be on the mattes, it seems to be about the same as the rest of their palettes, which are very good. They're very pigmented, but workable. So that is always good. The shimmers in this palette, though, this one looks, when you use it, it's more of a glitter top coat, whereas these over here are absolutely stunning, like metallic, wet looking, amazing. So also, most of the shimmers in the other palettes are very good as well, but this formula kind of stepped it up just a little bit. So we are going to scoot in a little bit, and we're going to get to work on these eyes. I'm not going to talk during this part. I'm just going to put the shades on my eyes. I'll let you know afterwards. Excuse me, I have the hiccups. Perfect time for filming. Let you know afterwards my thoughts and any concerns that I have, anything that I really like, anything that I don't like, and let you know my overall opinion of this palette when we're done. So for now, I'm probably going to speed this up. Feel free to watch if you want. I'll catch you on the flip side. And we are back. What do we think? I used as many colors in the palette as I could. Let me tell you what I used. So, I actually got a dot of concealer on this one. Whoops. So, we went over the crease with this shade, this yellow called Sunburst. In the middle, we went with Soul, which is kind of a mustardy. And then on the outer corner, we went with this bright pink called Nova. So we just kind of ombre those together, and they blended together quite nicely. I did lose a bit of this sole because it was just too similar to the Sunburst, but they actually blended together nicely. They didn't get too muddy or anything like that. And then over the crease, I actually put down some concealer and used this shade right here called Radiance, which is a pinky orange metallic. It looks kind of champagne-y, but it does have reflects of pink and orange. And then let's see, what else did we do? The inner corner, I went with this Brilliance color. It's a champagne-y color. It's a little bit warm. I normally go with a cooler tone, lighter shade, but it worked okay right there. And then on the lower lash line, I used the shade Flare that I got the concealer in, and then blended that out with the shade Star, which is a little peachy color. So they actually all blended together really nicely. Now I do have some transfer because I do have hooded eyes. So the glitter in the metallic shade has kind of bumped up a little bit, but not too bad. It actually still looks really good. So that's where we are. I am absolutely happy with it. Now, my questions for this palette are, this is nowhere near a winter or a holiday theme. Like, we're in the month of December, so I'm not sure why this palette was released right now instead of like spring summerish, because that's when it would have went best. But the actual color scheme is amazing. I don't think it's a standalone palette because there are no light neutrals, like base colors to start with, but you can build some fun looks with it, and I think you can do some everyday looks as well. So I think it's a good palette. It's a good theme. I just think it's kind of a weird time of year to have this type of thing with it. What do you guys think of my hair? I actually have normal hair right now. We went and did like a few ash colors and kind of a darker brown ash color for my base. I haven't had normal hair in so long, but I don't know, I just wanted to do something different and get away from bright colors for just a little bit. Not forever, don't worry, they're in my soul, I'm going back. But what do you guys think of the normal colors? I don't know. Anyways, let me know, do you like this palette? What do you think? Why do you think they released it in December? It's a little bit weird. If you like the palette though, or if you like anything other from Alter Ego, go ahead and there's a link in the description box. Save you some money off. Again, I don't think I make any money off of that, but they did send this to me for free. This is not my favorite Alter Ego palette. Y'all already know. It's a Daydream palette. I reach for it almost every single day. But you can get any of these 4 Alter Ego palettes. Any of them. Get this one at Alter Ego's website, which is linked down below. There's also a discount code there if you wish to use it and save a little bit of cash. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys, and I will see you in the next one.